What are you doing? What are you doing? Nada. Why? Have you seen MaryAnn? No. No, I haven't seen her. Anyway, did you notice something about MaryAnn lately? No. Why? No. Why? She's posting video on YouTube. Oh yeah, and her English. I heard about that. Gee, my goodness. So how's she doing anyway? I mean, her video on YouTube. They're doing good? This is what she does in her video. Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Oh my god. How about you? Is your English good? No, my English is fine. I don't think so. My English is fine. My English is really bad. She's coming. Hello guys. Hi. Where you been? We've been looking for you. Right? Yes, we are. And pick up the dog poop. Excuse you, I don't have a dog all over the place. So that's you, Anna. That's Anna's dog, it's not mine. Anyway, it's your dog, MaryAnn. The dog? You should do your job, not the other people. My friend. I saw the dog pooping again. So you should go outside and pick up another poop. Oh my god, what's going on with you guys? Ang buti nyo eh. Mga banana mo.